Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sun Communications. I'm McKenna, and today we have the newest Yealink BH76 Plus UC headset. You guys always love when we review these, and we haven't done one for a while, so let's get into it. Okay, before we get started, if you want to see more unboxings and tech reviews, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We post new products every week. So jumping right in, you have a very soft carrying case. Oh wow, I expected it to be a hard shell by the shape of it, but it feels padded. So that's really interesting. You have a quick start guide down here and then wearing instructions. Oh cool, it shows you how to take the ear cushion off and replace it as well. Let's look inside. Ooh, very soft cushioning up top. This is so interesting. Ooh, you can seriously tell how fluffy it is because it was kind of squished in there. So it's depuffing as we're talking, but this is really, really soft. I can tell this is going to be so comfy. The coolest thing about this model is the retractable boom. I mean, how cool is that? It also isn't too heavy at all for it being like a really sturdy pair of, I don't know if you'd want to call these headphones or headset. I guess it's technically a headset, but they're definitely leaning towards headphone-ish style. They do feel super durable and you can extend on either side. Let's see what else is in here. We have a charging cord, and then in the pocket, we have a USB-A and USB-C dongle. Moving on to the bottom of the box. Oh, cool. A replacement ear cushion. Oh, two replacement ear cushions if you want it to be on the ear instead of over the ear. Here's the difference side by side for the on the ear and the over the ear. That is really cool that they give you the option though, because most of the time you'll have to decide between the two. But let's talk about what else makes this headset really special. First up, we have Intelligent Dynamic ANC, which is active noise cancellation. It includes 3 different ANC modes, which is medium ANC, high ANC, and ambient sound mode. So you can adjust the level of noise cancellation depending on your environment. It also is equipped with Yealink Acoustic Shield Technology, which uses multiple microphones to create a virtual shield around your voice, helping filter out all the background noise and distractions during calls. We also have noise canceling microphones with a magic boom, like I already showed you. So every time you have the boom down, it activates the beamforming microphone. What this does is help capture your voice clearly, which is great for busy offices, shared workspaces, or even at home with a lot of background noise. One of the big perks about this model though is it only has a 3-hour charge time and it gives you 40 hours of usage. So you literally have to charge it once a week for your work week. Taking a look at the controls real quick, we're going to have a mute and unmute button, a power button, volume up and down, a charging port, obviously our retractable microphone, and an ANC button on the opposite ear. This device looks great, the features sound great, but let's go put it to the test. Let's see how this headset would sound if I was using it in a busy call center like this. If I was on a Zoom call using this headset in a busy call center, this is what it would sound like. I forgot to say, I also made sure the ANC was in noise cancellation mode. But now let's see what it would sound like if I was working from home and my dogs were barking. So this is what it would sound like in person. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if my dogs were barking, but I was using this Yealink headset. Okay, so I listened back to the footage. It's definitely struggled a little with the background noise, but my voice still did come through really crystal clear. I would say if style matters a lot, this is a really sleek, good looking headset, and I love how the mic is retractable. So if you have a lot of different scenarios where you want to use it, like going from office to out in public, I still think this is a great model. It feels really comfortable. It seems like it would be great for all day wear. But if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. We'll see you next time. Bye.